Guys, welcome back to our channel Science and Techs. From now, we will be posting our videos in English as well as in Hindi. Our today's video is in English language, but the following video will be Hindi language covering up the same facts. And afterwards, we will try to make both the videos together and post them together. So let's continue with our channel Science and Techs.
You all know how old is mathematics? Let me tell you. You will not believe that mathematics is as old as 3000 BC. Yeah, you heard that right, 3000 BC. Till 250 BC, no one showed any major interest in mathematics, but somewhere changed around 1965. From that time, a new technique comes up solving the questions of maths, and it was named as Vedic maths, which uses shlokas to solve the maths. Do you all know how old is our earth? You must be knowing that. It is 4.543 billion years old. But a very few of you must be knowing that. Uh, how old is Halley Comet? Yeah, Halley Comet. You will be shocked to know that it is nearly around 4.562 billion years old. Yes, it is older than the earth. It is very weird to know that earlier the bristles were originally made from the hair of cows. It is proven in an experiment that the average weight a single human hair can hold is nearly 100 gram. So if we calculate the total weight that can be carried by our hair is almost 8400 kilogram. Isn't it awesome? Can you guess a country which allows you to get a divorce on just a matter of cup of coffee? Let me tell you. A Saudi Arabian woman can get a divorce if her husband didn't give her coffee. Do you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Oh, come on, that's not a big number. Then listen to this, which you might not be knowing. That an adult cockroach has 13 hearts in them, which make them live for several weeks even if we cut off his head. The strong contraction of your heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood as far as 30 feet. That is 9.144 meters. When you sneeze, all your body functions stop, even your heart. Most tigers have more than 100 stripes and no two tigers have the same stripes. Isn't that amazing to know? Imagine a situation in which the king sleeps for 20 hours daily. But I am going to tell you the fact that the lion, king of jungle, sleeps for 20 hours a day. Can you imagine that how much powerful is the strike of an eagle talon? The strike of an eagle talon is so powerful that its force is twice that of a rifle bullet. A dog's sense of smell is about 37 times stronger than a human's sense of smell. The next fact is very interesting and is about fire, or I should say an invisible fire. Yes, you heard it right, it is invisible. I am talking about the methanol fire, which you cannot see from your naked eyes, which make it different from the ordinary fire. 75% of blood is found in veins at any instance. And you must be knowing that veins carry only impure blood, so just imagine that at every instance a body has 75% impure blood. The next fact will amaze you. If we will fill a spoon with the matter of star, then it will weigh almost 10 million tons, which will be almost equal to 900 crore kilograms. Such a small amount known. The company which is having the most people's trust in the whole world is OnePlus, which is 68%. The only company in India which earns money by selling staplers is Kangaroo Industries. I am damn sure about it. If you not trust me, then check the company of stapler you have. Let us talk about an awesome technical fact. That is the total data created from the beginning of humanity till 2003 is actually equivalent to the data which is created every 2 days at the present time. Linux becomes the first operating system to fully support 86-64-bit. Microsoft releases Windows XP 64-bit edition for the Itanium's IA64 architecture, although it was able to run 32-bit applications through an execution layer.
Thank you guys for watching our video till here. We need your support to create more videos like this. So please share our video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.